Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So we need to put the secant for the both sides. So this one you got about x. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one that is about first the derivative of y. We have secant of y tan y. This one that is about number 1. Next, we divide both sides by secant of y tan y. So we know that this one that is about dy over dx. Secant of y that is about x. Tan y that is about the square root of tan y square. So we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. And secant of y that is about x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.